Furuki Mingda Magi Lamni Haiduna Buffer Zone Khaidoknarliba asi Article 19 gi against the freedom of movement thugaibani India gumba secular democratic republic ta jati amadi Furuki mamingda division tawba yadaba loinana magi oiba community gi yenglaga changba yai yade haiduna khaidoknaba yadaba leibak amani adubu ngahan MP Bimolna Kangbai fawba changi haibada security force singna athingba pirakhiba asi India gi history da MP amana mahagi kendra da changi haibada athingba pirakpa ahanbani masigumba thawong adubu political communal defensive policy ama sanaba manba maong ama uba fangi masida laingak asina santi hanjelakle buffer zone laire hairiba asi kamaina no haina ngasi MP angomta Bimolna magi meyumda pangthokkiba pawgi mifam amada fongdokre
the media gi lakriba sinapnumoku ramno chimsi kaikun sari ainu si mayam press conference ko se handaki ko kibat ko khara adu mari le labam sahi ani mu thoma ti bai ko ki issue si matang mari le la ina miyam da khamu shentong ba potra anu mari le mu to suri mayam ne chim ne umni kam biram share face khala da sui po to su na jati jun gi tang tara da lipan pokpida low gida ubaya roy akogi jaga ni adugi jaga khana ko adumai to na amu jun gi tang kunda wala da su low bama low da maina ka pe ha da su mo akogi da ma akogi da jadi ngarang nahan haitar nantang kuma banda pagapjo ikai makhale kai gi kafir ki pagapjo kai gi community phone le du gi sam meter chalaga leiba min ngangan ku ba duga meter ka chalaga du barricade thama ba du ka tin na adai ka chalaga meter chokum sami gumgi distance haitar da aina chatke hai da yara kidaba una maksiga mari leinaba nungi oiba wafam amusun aikoina chahi ani thengara pasiga sahunaba achuba issue ma leibudu aina miyam share tawungo e press conference miyam Manipur have a state amalay the gama sida Furuki namada aigi lam magi lam adugi lam tori sequila Iran si talking again tang ahum megi tang ahum lising aniga kulumbi mamang di home I could lam adugi lam in towa Lane chikana that belong to the state ki lane state belong to India I believe parts in the Sina Hindu gilam, Sina Muslim gilam, Sina Jain gilam, Sina Christian gilam. High in a yen bayat, the parts the Pugili parts the smile to which at Nebis. Megitang Ahum 2023 the day home Burma I could not go hungry. And a sister I take with you. Ako na sumari sab the muna sumasiling sa lay. Amuna sumana laps na big marapa junna dai da ni umlot di dagi matam da thola kiba 2023 in mega. Buffer zone hai ba hai matula ka dori na haram do tamuna hai ko kono mai thome matunda. Madam Nudai Sigi buffer zone and Amato, the have why say slip of tongue type, the full of things, any hand Purapuni. Right now, in camera, between Doctor Sumina to our buffer zone and Tokala Kadori, why season of the essay. Must see press conference, called maybe come for today, not the worries of the ministry in Zimbabwe. Not my love, the hand of one of the I just say, me 2023, you want me, June, you want buffer zone is seen of how is are there a meaning man with start the slip of tongue higher paper the matchet my army spokesperson was my high and I'm a quarter of the how is the cutting. Putting a move buffer zones in late the high a siki community की basis the communal divide ama Manipur tawra isigi concrete manifestation form madu ki safung ni ba fruki maming da Manipur thugai ba basically form na safung ni ba posi na sai ki buffer zone ni khaidu ra isi. The real manifestation of this division of Manipur based on communal identities and ideology is this demarcation called the buffer zone. High zone the citizen among the Changba Yadin is Article 19 against the freedom of movement among guiding. Kasi may also bilang ni ay na mamangi parliament session the so ay na free movement di pandaga. Article 19 Resolution 21 the so many free movement jadi hen dadabani ay na panjagi bani mamangi last session parliament. I exact time the monsoon session I pal in and to can never win freedom of movement in the government. And was I the luxury with the Lucian for the Karin India Haiba secular democratic republic Jati ki maming the furu ki maming the division to yada ba citizen musu magi communal magi adugi ideology na guide to magi identity the uniform ga nang adu changba yai nang mai tai wali du chang ya de adagi nang tamil ori de du changba yari ya de so I buffer zone khaira is legally sanctioned to na to like this hai da Manipur why na silak basigi Haibun Daraga Manipur Tugai implicitly a question naturalized of Sangraba normalized Haidar in this island. Legitimize and normalize Haidar. Normalize of Sangraba. Quick book, the Changbayade, the Kambu Swagani, Changbayade, Sihana Kunda Roland, Kunda Broka, and Namus Tai. Cook the except over Kambune. Masana Yazari, but Sangba Yadi. Question to Bugimota, Kedobuki Sangba Yaro. Magi security ki karigi sensitive a bit Sangba Yaya, the Hibugi Port Amaki. I do Inan Hansi to the Momoina. Ogapto is hide, Sangi hide the Yam responsible in a security person, the Noy the cover, you know, get sick down minute, Manga, Tanga Katinga, Yenge, among the ladies, Aigisuki and the Manung. Changi High psychological barrier in the Tugai. Good Tugai will Changi. It's high cooks the Changyadi in the lace Kedo working over. Low on the pea brow. I couldn't do Yara Lacy. I do law and order problem to look at over security labor. Mapam the Aina Changi, I should answer for Changi High over Torbung Bangla, Changi Hayunate, Torbung Gorbin, Changi Hayunate, Chumhanja Lokiroba, Torbung Bajar, Changi Hayunate. Ogakcho, Ikai Makale, Kai Katil, who did not come by Bazaar, Zagadu, Nimanga, I do have the Sangan on the security of the year. I do the Changi Hay with the Yarafisa Karigino names. In people, no Magi. Kendra Manung the Yin, Tanzania, the yard, they say in the history the talk of rice. To Omagasu Karamba ground, the Kari context of talking Hadunga, a quiz the man of Rahun. She lays the Kango, Mana, my taking them that they do the outer Manipur district revenue district. Police station की jurisdiction लोइना मग विष्णुपुरी मखा द लेबा पोट ने बाइना चंगे हाय provocative oina law and order thokadabagi a manung the sanga security problem thokadabuli na ina khanda adu the changi haibna te bai secure tawba pot ko tang change hai de yarakriba nungi oibo wafam ding asai hai de ba we have normalized and legitimized this division of Manipur based on communal politics state na madai de support option ga chap manare civilian changnadi khudong chini and civilian changan dabana te ba atopa community ki changan le official atopa MP ka su sat khreba gari to ga yi mama hai chahi ani ji manu journalist ka am su changi ba communal basis ta changba yadi na thinga is kari ge no sin adu su ai hai sin ke tang law and order problem thok da ba churan chambu me ai ji sangu ge hai bu aduna nasai highly political communally founded oiba communal ki basis to tawriba division se legitimize to pot ama do khoi gi miyang gi desu aina su u da khoi na masin normalize option re khoi ya san gare ba khoi na loina ma aduna kambu omna lan tawe khang da bra kai na karem ka thai na ngang ku theng ni moi du na hai na ka no tai u ri nung yo wan thu nga ngai do karin moi masana ya zari ne see a quick jungle yard, my communicate, don't you kind of politicize the way. There are a quick MP not to me. Illegal one, the man is responsible in art and the Sanga problem. Talk to the last material, but get me take some of the Katin Ring and this year. High bomba come to Kanana, Simon, the Iran Towing that to the best of my memory. 9 Assam rifle, later Bamogi unit to na, to the cousin number 4 to Moino. Law topasunatte official document the legislate very ketuk in the laga numitu the kitchen by adi in the sangalam the queen naturalized of sangare normalized of sangare legitimized of sangare adukasi is a santi handle likata handle you know buffer zone like you mine high hamoy sigmam change high in a high road there is a buffer zone and we request our honorable MP not to enter because you are a Meitei. How you going to official they have used in others who might high we are India constitution the high we are one MP Mabu Magi community identity you from the Sangaya dancing like a Karamba India Hindu Yauki others am the reckless over Monga provoked on by Torung Bangla Sange I Wakuru Sange Turan Champu Sange Hairu no, already secure to the Vasima Home Security and the Katikati Changmayam to the Home to in some quite fossilized or with type the car the Kamayadi and upon the Sutan Tanga lady with Simasi politics summonings, Luna Yama. I don't know, I quite not. I quite manipulate the Kanda. India constitution is the communal ideology the base or the Tauba military unit and the Karam the legally notified to Usuna to Sangya data the Abdul Sepone a law political science thing of the state of exception. Law Chanava decision that's a Luna Yagi out of winner decide over the area with it. Decision isn't go. No, Nama Haga, you hurry to I decide of you chapter them, chapter door. Sana Sakara, man, decide on it. Although young lady, protocol the Gikari, the member of parliament, I say. Officials Amana, Yenga even meeting, Muina Togo, or there's a Kadai Davis. And to do, Wiki commanding officer, I am respectfully highly responsible people, they are handling sensitive issues on the ground. These officers must be respected. So with that due respect, I called him up and said that I want to visit this very few meters away from me. You provide me the security concern level. Informed of it. Otherwise, I know political hangama to look away. The I chosen and I got to with the way Iran to it. I think the Migi officers seem to disrespect the woman again. So responsibly, I told the inspector also, the OC, I chang of the highway. As a responsible member of parliament, and a law-abiding citizen, I've duly informed the concerned officers, law enforcing agencies that I am a member of parliament. I want to enter this place, which is where it is. I am not asking to stay there and create problem. I said I'll come with my escort party. I am not bringing anybody else. I want to check that market. I was not asking for entering all the way to Torbung Bazaar or Torbung Gobindpur or Torbung Bangla or Waikuru, which is deeper inside. It's there a few meters away and it is a fully secure place. Other than when a secure to the hierarchy, you have said that you have collected all the weapons and sanitized the area. That means that I don't know no sanitize the people. MP Bimol, the Maitain and the Kutara, upon the Samurakan. When the Kulai Kumba, they don't sanitize the way I said, Tau be Haita in a tradition, when I do it. None the security concern the hierarchy, even in Makalai Katil, security like that. That means you have not sanitized the area, you have not collected the weapons, recovered the weapons and neutralized and sanitized that area of the criminal elements in that area. Aduna te psychological game. Maitai ni changaloi ai. Sina tu ka karami buduna kana karami no pi. I say, I'm journalist, not any TV. Assam Rifle Unit, I'm Germany, if my memory serves me well, 9 Assam Rifle can only remember Iran Tokan. More than a bit of the Iran of the Kazan money, I think Matuna died and hey, community of the Haida with the Yellow Changi Kundani, Yunga made Hadomi. I think 2-3 days I died. I don't know what to know, Army lay in a unit of Assam Kamana Dutana Laga on the spot of the moment, Pabna of the May Pari, no guys, if you ako'y minsan biyo ba sa any oras aday da khaja lam po da numitu da tango ma da khagi na ba jita ma do naturalize and normalize or the border ki type da khaga tham bi kari ni MP do maintain ne changa ni ako'y bangali sinao dum changi atop se so civilian the threat ai ba security ki risk ai ba jaga na tem ta ine na tro ali atop MP mapane lamba dum tran chango power chalini official power chalina du da masagi constituency maga nu da lai de MP do changa la ni kari ino hai bu ne bo aduna ako'y mase expose of changi aduga ako'y psychology ai nam du lai de ako'y psychology da ako'y accept to dum to ri changba ya da bom ni Tam na ako'y gisang we have sa hangdo pa ho to matam that they should allow the MP to visit some of these places, if not all of them. Nata, when is alam jaga su jaga ka sang we na khan bo jaga tu ne na tu siam responsible in office ngai ni am no ni de amoro ne nu su si Manipur police na sum ko circular commanding officer go wai sal ro mo halaga mo so na kan mo ako'y top police brassing na haide na ako'y police officers some phone to wai and nusiba mo pong leba yung ano. Ano na moi na wajari budu then pare to then Lok Sabha gi mi MP bo sange ya to de loye na lure lu sa baksa Manipur police ki asona kan ni sura ta police sange hai nu dia da bu sang go ga ang. It's very sad but it's a psychological block. Acham na gender studies ay example kasi nupi na daw ade plane paya de nupi na pilot ho jo rena ko ge plane to ya da me it's a psychological block adu ki type da ko chang ba ya de na normalize option ni ba yaw ri ko ko aro ako ye pin si madu ki psychological block to tugai na to rai si da I as a leader and as a representative of my people, I na tawai one miyang inyo to na tawom de ko miyam chang na to jo hang mamam to ko elected members ni kang de man ni kang ni tawom to e se ko Manipur yo na se ai ki constituency kaptagi wana tese ako is that only si masigi normalization se masi ko tugai buk chang e chai ani sure kanti su hanjale hare nomai chu kongole hare sanitize to kan da Pagkaksaw ikay gi makalay kay katil da kamay no si Bobo secure tongam di no iba question namal saw na la kanem adu secure with the bread di chang ito na community founded ni maintain ni sang na tabi type to ra ga so ito na this is a misguided it's a misguided there are a lot of propaganda na misguide to la munung khang man ai na sum u da di ni anam man di na they know that MP na tawrai sing asai po se tugai la expose tawrai ni jeloin kang vested interest kang karana lana sando pune to the election mamang di matam ni dum hawam ne it's a part of the problem that we need to tackle akoi gi issue ni Manipur gi ko mapan gi thina na ba akoi bu tugai gi hona je manung gi sum sa dong sa sal ko gi पोचु लई अदुगी खुदम आई हाइसने कोइदा एक्सेप्टेंस अमा लई दंग तौरे हाइसे को अदुना नहारोन खरना पंगा ngang misguide mislead tawbune ko adubu majority of the people in Manipur will know aduga haina daina koi gya no masoi khankan achumai se kari no se English haina bamne you can fool some people all the time and you can fool all the people for some time but you can't fool all the people all the time haina bamne jana mi khara matam chupugena apang sibe agani aduga matam loina makiwaina mi khara apang masibe ane aduga mi loina matam loina makiwaina apang masibe arwe aduna the truth will come out and ki koina koi tau do ba inga sai journalist situation also na feel tau I think we need to break the psychological limbo ma le ga ya ba ki tai de sang ba ya ya de adu sai jine prang da tu chang ya chang yin ga lao dong na te practical wa du de nai na hai je ai hu hai de na ko mem computer nga sai ti de ju lambi u bi bra pagau chau I khai pagau chau khai makha le kai adagi torbung bazaar de hai da rakan da torbung gi Gobindpur ade hai da ka torbung bangla then Waikuro that's the last akoi gi mai dei tar yam chong dai ja de di manung chura chapul manung da na nga sai ge kungza ma ga dai risna ana adugi line ai chang ge do abuk chang ge na te adu du uri ba makha le kai du chang ge na do fake method de ge sigi community ho le risna unstated border ki type tau lai re ba du secure be ra da masagi kendra ni changan ge yar ti du kari gi but I think we need to break this I hansan and I remember this is psychology acceptance of that but remember that this is illegal and unconstitutional community basis no this thing we are a member of parliament no mai ki kendra da chang ge ai ba adu su chang ba ya ba yamna prudent oiba a very prudent decision that I can go up to this not to that in a khalla kan da hai ri ko tu it's a very prudent decision and a very concerned with due respect to the officials who are doing their duties on the ground. I have requested to get access to a place where it has been secured. I didn't ask to go all the way, even though they are under my constituency. I have a clarity which is stated 13 point fighting for justice and accountability avenue, fixing accountability for this violence and fighting for the justice for IDPs I need even justice I see justice sakon da akoi okon da loi ba dong na su ne sala lai dong na mi magi dignified life ma kem ta le juli bam thwe tumbam jabam amang tong iru jabam ai cha ana partition gi study taw ngai du lo na kem ta le practical u chura champu chang bai che it's going to take time na tra adu er da su hona ba le pdi ya de na adu gi ne ngang chang che le ja atan chang chang ge na te chang chang ba bom de ma taw tai da na koi ke nang chura champu de kamai settle dong dong phagau chong I khai ma kha le kai bom de mp chang de ya ra thwe ai ji da bu me am ne ngo de support da widra ga di krai de gi chura champu chang wari taw do ri ge ba ko step by step ji normalize taw na ba ko gi normal se hanjal na bo na ga da bu gi barrier ma ji tu ai chang da me ba and justice to matam na su moi no su chik lai di ba kem ta lai bu lifestyle che sida akoi ge che metaphor m log ge ko si moi the head pan ba da directly na da na sido re have nothing palliative care in a doctor ge su lai lying ni ba na se sathi ba na lying ko matam da na ba handana ba mai pain je ma ge anari ba potu na ba ko li ba na ko kon mangam rasu ana ba du khara dam handana ba no hotna ba gi medical specialization nam dai ne ba palliative care ni natro ma ge pain du kitang handana ba hotna ri ne ba admai to do na ngasi gi IDP ire cha mam le gi moi wara ba punsi se ata hanjan ri ngai da su sidal le ba gi moi awana je ko na ba policy involved to dam na ai khoi gi party na ra ge samang na executive power pai bo er ma ki ko I am fully responsible for all these things ado ai no pai da ni na ko na kamai to na ai ngam ma ti ngati on of the limited one ba se ai no fleck up tong in da ba ne ai chali ai chap mo ga hang yu dom chala ai wore no ra ga je ge off the record na tra ga di mo jung ta sa ta na ai chang ra kan da nga pi ja di ha ra ma kan da nunga la ga forcefully video to ra kan da nga pi je na mem thok thok tu ching na pyo bu kang di ai ne chang u da mo da sa ta ab ju yaw ri ba ai ngo da mo na sing man ngai ta do hai re na adu nongalaka nupa mi kamu dum force laka nga chai hai la kumba aduna ayu ji tumin na taw no ya flash ro kono na kai ma mo ja ina changure ha na jo adu to ya da to we de chema me ising ya de ising thak phang de na le le ma adu di chi adu kai de no chi to na mi ji to sema le mo nunga ai mo na sunu hai ba mo nunga tang oza ising la e hai ba da ai mo na ha ni mo ising tong lang cha de ha ko ho go do ma cha mo su tang nu hai de adu gi nung ju tha lai de ki si to de phi sa ba tu me adu de kamai to si ga na mi ka ko adu di pa si adu cha chi ko si ni sa ga phi sa ya na nung mo gi su je ri ba po tu bong le fa le ba kem ta le na nung ju ta na phi sa ya de ya adu di kamai sa ya de ge na say justice for fight for justice di hanjan han ma du khap na tri ba they need to live a dignified life even while they are in the camp moi na kem ta le na de su mo ya awa na ji kitang nungai na le na sa ana bai hai du Lying but the water matam changa da budo adu gi lying but fanu ko na bujo huju chiki nungai awaba ana bu ko na ba guli thari ne ba palliative care ga in tawri ne e masi fever thok lai jema laina am lai ha ka ju ji nga ki temperature to hanna na ba tha ba du mai na huju ji mo gi lai si da cha na thak na ba ana aye ki se arrangement chahi ani sure huju ba wa gyan ta dri ba government ki kari policy lai ji Lenga ki po lenga ai si government of India and Manipur government su si lai ai khoi ki responsible government lai jada bai wan khoi ki miru na government of Manipur di lai na is headed by the governor that's the effective in charge man pai lai ne na aduna si kari tauri ke se mo ge da ai khoi ki study ai na ba committee se ma do sum sang do lai se no da ni irang se khoi na ka la ma de do ta chala ga KMC de chap ya ga interview ga to no ko ya do malam mi ko ya de ba akhoi na sang da mai kem pa na tu na politics ki tai to rak pi hangu ya de kha lai ga na mu irang mu chok chale internet chung gi mai to na chum sang do ki bai wa ne report almost loi do re ko akhoi ni study to da interview to ri family sampling design ga to we know aduna ai asuna kan dai na parliament na women and child ministry da hangin no si to ran na PSani ki ni this on the portal le ke mo lok sabha ki le miam jeng ai na hangi question man kai ko mo ke ngo ba yam phasana tawe ba ai na du meeting da ga mini chi da di no jam phasai this looks good on paper do ai na ai ni ground salu ba meaning ai chok dom ta taw de si taw de ai che di ta ma isine ba handak su dum tawe ba se adu phangni phangde paisa law thu me yo ro te da na ju mu complain taw re do law thu ma ga paisa tha da rak ta bai ni hai ro official da mu na gi thak law thu ni ku ba pra ku ra ni lawyer la to adu smai na ko na lady ba ko puna mo na angam ba se lenga ka tan yeng adi ya ro ko gi civil society group philanthropic like kai no ko wi no ri cha ma ngo jo they get stuck there ako in tong ba ai su ngam ai na loin na tong ngam po this ko no ai ngam ba ga cha lu sin ai ngam ba ju mo na ha po rum su ngam de because I don't have the resource for that ai ngam ma cha di taw ri no ji ana ba to is we need to have a policy angang like tam da bak siam tu e woji pi ti bangam da bagi adu to bangam da bagi ana bagi tu e cha bagi tu e adu phangni ai ni sing thak na ba phangdi si ma cham cha tu ba ko kau thu bu dong to re sin ai na number 1 kala re ga luhong ko to sai na board manung da sai de luhong ko dong to ra kami school ka khana ra kami normalize hai ga to ga prime minister na parliament hai ga dai ni na school ka ba ure office hange normal hang kan da kangbu ma sumaina yam awaba mong the ladies ko kau thu ki ni ai sai na so han wan dong so nan every time I try to remind ministry the recommendation of jiarum ji Manipur government ge hon ganu central ki dedicated committee se mo pesa I will try my best I will level the soy ministry the kai dai na standing committee the I'll write this is beyond party politics this is human tragedy is a humanitarian concern never city I think adun irei cha mo ina Manipur ma cha mo ina ko na si cha da me ko si khara si sol hai tai ko si am nungai te jai ani sometimes I feel very lonely tauri lo mong tauri is the low we have a decision low rak da bi khana we have khana da bi petty politics to me river me am si that sometimes I feel very bad but adu wo I'm appeal to the is misinterpret of you know for blog if you remember I had nomination file to ga thola ko case is now on give a recording the pato yenge I don't know to vote card in mama nomination file to this cannot be done by one person ay katan tawgaro ko flop tong we have to take responsibility for each one of us ako roles.